I welcome all the members for today's seminar presentation on Kanban system in lean manufacturing. So in this seminar presentation, we are going to discuss about the following things. First, let us understand the outline of the concept, and then we will move on to the main theme of the presentation in the following slides. So we all know that in today's fast-paced production and service environments, efficiency is not an optional thing. It is highly essential and it is said to be maintained in all industries. Organizations must deliver faster, reduce waste, and maintain high quality in all products and services rendered to the customer. One powerful system that enables is nothing but Kanban system, originally developed in Japan. Kanban has transformed the industries worldwide from manufacturing shop floors to software teams. So, in today's seminar session, we will explore how Kanban system works, what are the basic principles of Kanban and different types of Kanban system and real world application. Now, with this introduction, we will move on to the objectives of Kanban. Let us now understand the key objectives of Kanban for today's seminar presentation. Kanban is a visual management system used in lean manufacturing as well as in project management to improve the work efficiency and workflow. The primary objective of Kanban is to ensure smooth and continuous flow of work while minimizing the wastages. The first objective is to visualize the workflow. Kanban uses boards, cards, and columns to represent the task and their progress. This helps the team member clearly sees what work is being done, what is pending, and what has been completed. The second objective is to limit the work in progress, where referred as WIP. So by restricting the number of tasks in each stage, Kanban prevents overloading of resources and ensures that the team focus on completing task force starting the new one. Another important objective is to improve the process efficiency by identifying the bottlenecks and delays in the workflow. Kanban helps organize, streamline operations and cycle time. Kanban also aims to enhance the team collaboration and communication. Since all tasks are visible on the board, team members can easily coordinate, share the updates, and work together effectively. Next objective is to reduce waste. Kanban minimizes unnecessary inventory, excess production, waiting time, and rework. Additionally, Kanban focus on continuous improvement, also known as Kaizen. Teams regularly review their workflow and make incremental improvements to enhance the performance. Finally, Kanban system helps in delivering value more faster to the customers by ensuring that work moves efficiently through the system with minimal delays. So these are the objectives of today's seminar presentation. Objectives of Kanban. Now let us understand the basic problem definition. What is meant by a Kanban? The word Kanban means a visual signal or a card in Japanese term. So this concept was earlier developed by Taichi Ogno, an industrial engineer at Toyota. So this concept was inspired by supermarket operations. Ogno noticed how shelves were restocked only when the items were taken by the customers. So this idea led to a revolutionary concept. So we have to produce the items only when it is needed, how much quantity it is needed. Now let us begin the following presentation by understanding the meaning of Kanban in much elaborate way. The term Kanban originates from the Japanese language where kan represents visual and ban represents card or a signal. Together, Kanban translates to visual signal or signboard. A Kanban board is a visual tool used to manage and track work in progress. It typically consists of columns such as to do, in progress, and completed. These are the different list of activities that will be narrated in the Kanban board. So which represents the different stages of workflow. The Kanban board helps the team to identify various bottlenecks. Thereby, we can be able to improve the workflow more efficiently and ensure smooth task completion. Overall, it is a simple yet powerful way to visualize work and enhance the productivity. Let us now discuss how Kanban works. Let us understand how Kanban works in a step-by-step manner. When a task or material is required, a Kanban card is generated. This card travels through the workflow, signaling each production stage to take necessary action. Once the task is completed, the card returns, triggering the next cycle. This creates a pull system where the work is driven by demand rather than forecast. The result is reduced inventory, minimized wastages, and improved production efficiency. Next one, what are the different classification of Kanban system? There are several kinds of Kanban systems used in operations. One is production Kanban. So these type of Kanban system used to signal when to produce the items in the shop floor. Withdrawal Kanban, it indicates when material should be removed or transported from the shop floor. Supplier Kanban connects external supplier with internal production needs. Electronic Kanban or e-Kanban uses digital tools for real-time tracking. Each type ensures that materials and information flow efficiently across the supply chain. Now we will discuss few information about the Kanban board. A Kanban board is a visual tool used to manage and track different work. It typically consists of columns within a Kanban board listing different items such as work has to be planned, in progress, and completed. The Kanban board helps the team to identify various bottlenecks arising in the shop floor every day in day out. Overall, it is a simple way of representing different items to be planned based on the production demand, and thereby it tries to enhance the productivity. Now let us see the different advantages of Kanban. Kanban offers various numerous advantages as follows. It reduces the production waste by eliminating unnecessary production. It improves the workflow visibility and transparency. It enhances team collaboration and communication. It increases the production flexibility and responsiveness to quick changes. Most important thing, it supports continuous improvement in all processes. Let us see some real world application. Kanban is most widely used across various industries. In manufacturing, it streamlines the production line. In software development, teams use Kanban boards to manage the task and different work releases periodically. In supply chain, it helps to optimize the inventory and logistics. Even in healthcare and service industry, they use Kanban to improve various operations. Now let us discuss something about e-Kanban, digital Kanban. So this is considered to be an online version of the traditional manual Kanban board used to manage various work and workflow. It uses software tools like Trello, Jira, and Asana to create virtual boards where the tasks are represented as cards. Kanban, digital Kanban allows easy collaboration, remote access, and automatic tracking of work in progress, making it more ideal for modern organization. Overall, it improves the transparency, coordination, and efficiency in managing different tasks. What are the major key principles of Kanban? Kanban is built on several key principles. First one is visualize the workflow. This allows the team to see bottlenecks and inefficiencies clearly. Second one, limit work in progress. By restricting how many tasks are handled at once, teams improve focus and reduce delays. The third one, managing workflow. The goal is to keep work moving smoothly through each stage. Fourth one, make process policies explicit. Clear rules ensure consistency and accountability. Finally, continuously improve the process. Kanban promotes incremental changes rather than disruptive transformation. Now let us come to the final end of the seminar presentation. So before moving on to the final conclusion stage, I would like to give a small uh, recap about the today's seminar presentation, starting from the initial introductory stage. So initially we saw about the importance of Kanban in factories, origin of Kanban, and we discussed something about the Kanban, what is meant by a Kanban and its basic meaning. Then we saw about the basic principles of Kanban, advantages of Kanban, key principles of Kanban system, and in between we saw the concept of e-Kanban. What are the softwares that are used to process the e-Kanban and so on. Based on the above available input information, I conclude that Kanban is a simple yet powerful system that enhances the efficiency through visualization and control. By focusing on workflow, limiting work, and responding to demand, organizations can achieve higher productivity and quality. Whether in manufacturing or services, Kanban remains a key tool for modern operations management. So, with this closing remark of seminar session, I would like to propose my formal acknowledgement to various team members, say students, faculty members, and the industry professionals. At the same time, I would like to take this moment to express my sincere thanks for the senior industry people who have given lot of inputs for me in the successful presentation of this proposed seminar on Kanban system. Finally, I thank the audience for their time, patience, and attention. Thank you once again. Thank you, all of you. We will meet in the next upcoming seminar series. Thank you again.